online somewhere and don't know exactly the way I read it. I'm not gonna say exactly the way I read it because I don't remember. But I read this article about auto garage that they had one of these, a Commodore 64. I'm pretty sure it was Commodore 64. And they've had it, and for 25 years, all it's been doing is balancing tires for cars. That's all it's been doing for 25 years. Now, if one of these can do that, I think they're pretty good systems. So I don't expect that there'll be any problems with this in the future. But like I said, it has not been tested. So I would not be surprised if I power on and it doesn't work. The video's out for some reason, or it just doesn't get power because the power supply is not working, or the connector's busted or something. That I cannot say. But I'm pretty sure this will all work. So, with that, I will say goodbye, and if you like this video, consider subscribing, or just at least give me a thumbs up on it. If I get a lot of, I will make a video on everything being set up and powered on, because I got this from, said he would love to see this run, but after that, I really don't have any more ideas on what to make videos about. So, if there's a lot of people who want me to make more videos, I will do that. I would love to make more videos. At this point in time, except for getting the Commodore 64 running, I have no more ideas. So, at most, I'd probably make at least 2 to 3 more. And after that, I may make a couple about my Alpha Smarts. Possibly. But I don't really have many other ideas other than this Commodore 64. So, if you would like me to suggest a topic for a video, I mean, I have a lot of stuff that I can make videos about. A lot of it, I just don't. There's topics all around here for them. It's just I don't want to make a bazillion videos that people aren't going to find interesting or useful, or I don't know what. So, I know this is a long video, but I hope you liked it. So, this is me finally signing off.